Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track and Prove, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video will review the RMail Attachment Options settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. The attachment options include productivity features like converting Microsoft Office documents to PDF, cleaning hidden metadata from Office documents, and zip compressing file attachments enroute from the sender's computer to the recipient. To view the settings, you have two options. One, from the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. The attachment option settings control the Convert to PDF, Metadata Cleaning, and File Compression settings on the Feature dialog box. The Convert to PDF, Metadata Cleaning, and File Compression settings have two options. The first is to enable the feature on the Feature dialog box. The second option is for power users who would like to have that option pre-selected for all messages that include attachments. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If the setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more.
Thank you.